Today, I'm going to review the best wire strippers on the market.
We've researched each product based on customer reviews, prices, and product features. If you want to know which product will be the best for you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video in the future.
At number 1, Irwin VISE-GRIP Wire Stripping Tool and Wire Cutter. This multicolor wire cutter is not only lucrative for its multicolor, but also is a dependable device to meet your everyday relevant needs. People often love it as it's easy to use and hold. The brand name of the device is Irwin. Its soft grip handle facilitates easy and fast stripping. Its handle is textured grip and comfortable. From now on, you can do wire-based jobs quickly and with minimum hand fatigue. It fulfills the standards of ANSI. Adroit tradesmen depend on this tool. At number 2, Irwin VISE-GRIP Wire Stripper. Its self-adjusting feature makes it a perfect device. An adjustable stopper is there. It's a lightweight wire stripper. The brand name of the gadget is Irwin, which is a trustworthy name for a longer period. Ranging from 10 to 24 AWG, it strips wire perfectly. The weight of the item is only 6.4 ounces, which means it is very comfortable to use. It is also very easy to use. It facilitates attractive manufacturer warranty packages. You would love it for its versatility and ergonomic features. At number 3, Dowell 10 to 22 AWG Wire Stripper. Famous and trustworthy brand Dowell uses stainless steel to make this fantastic wire stripper. Its black and yellow color combination makes it a lucrative device. It is an ideal device for aluminum and copper cables. The manufacturer uses PP and TRP to make its handle. No matter if your hand is oily or wet, it works perfectly. It facilitates simple operation. Anyone likes it for its excellent traits like accuracy, easy operation, value against money paid for, ergonomics, and many more features. Now I will review 3 more products, then you'll understand which product is good for you. Let's go.